So the crypto markets are on fire. Bitcoin over 29,000, Ethereum 1,800, Shiba Inu running up a little bit, about 2-3+%. Crazy day. We're going to talk about the overall markets and what is going on, but I'm not in my studio back in Dallas. We are actually in New York City, and that's the cathedral right there. So I'm here with my wife and son. My son's never been to Manhattan before, so we brought him out here. And then we've got a lacrosse tournament this weekend. So that's what's going on with me. So if you're in New York, give me a shout out in the comments. And but I want to talk about what's going on in the market. Crazy day yesterday. I was traveling all day yesterday. So I know that we've got some traditional finance organizations, big brokerages that are filing to start an exchange, selling only a few assets, Bitcoin, things like that, Ethereum, Litecoin. But that's lifting the entire market. I think that's what you're seeing is that the consensus, the feeling is people have that traditional finance is coming in. Maybe this is the beginning of the paving of the way for Main Street America, if you will, air quotes, right? Main Street America coming in via institutions. You got BlackRock filing for an ETF, a Bitcoin ETF, which is good news because they'll probably get it. So crypto Main Street adoption is really what we're talking about. Shiba Inu is part of that discussion. SHIB's part of that narrative. Why? Because it's a top 20 crypto. Number one. Number two, we're going to see SHIB rise along with the overall market like we're seeing right now. But it's really also about price point. Shiba Inu is really cheap on a price per token unit. Remember, I say this all the time. Shiba Inu is a gateway crypto. Shiba Inu is a gateway crypto to bring people in because of its low price, because of how easy and accessible it is to buy. It's on 130 plus exchanges globally, all of that. So I'm really just making this video in the context of want to talk about the overall market moving up and SHIB moving along with it and Shiba Inu's place in that. Shiba Inu is going to rise. It's going to move up with the market. And we really need, like I said before, we need Main Street USA, Main Street, global, worldwide to adopt crypto, right? And if we do that, we'll see every single coin and token rise in price, rise in valuation, market capitalization, all that kind of stuff. That's what's really good about this, okay? So that's what I'm talking about. It's kind of this Main Street adoption and how the overall markets are going crazy right now. It's a good day in crypto. I'm going to celebrate it and such. With that, about to take off, go spend some time with my family. I'll be around, probably make another video or two later. See ya.